Data communication and networking. Hybrid topology. I'm Arnida Dapitilia. Hybrid topology is a network topology that combines two or more different topologies to form a resultant topology which has good points, as well as weaknesses, of all the constituent basic topologies rather than having characteristics of one specific topology. This combination of topologies is done according to the requirements of the organization. For example, if there exists in a ring topology in one office department while a bus topology in another department, connecting these two will result in hybrid topology. Remember, connecting two similar topologies cannot be termed as hybrid topology. Star ring and star bus. This is how hybrid topology looks like: the bus, star, and ring. Advantages: reliable. Unlike other networks, fault detection and troubleshooting is easy in this type of topology. The part in which fault is detected can be isolated from the rest of network and required corrective measures can be taken. Scalable. It is easy to increase the size of network by adding new components without disturbing existing architecture. Flexible. Hybrid network can be designed according to the requirements of the organization by optimizing the available resources. Special care can be given to nodes where traffic is high as well as where chances of fault are high. Effective. Since hybrid topology is the combination of two or more topologies, so we can design it in such a way that strengths of constituent topologies. Disadvantages: complexity of design. One of the biggest drawbacks of hybrid topology is its design. It is not easy to design this type of architecture and it's a tough job for designers. Configuration and installation process needs to be very efficient. Costly hub. The hubs used to connect two distinct networks are very expensive. Costly infrastructure. As hybrid